Today we would like to introduce the 250 kilowatts diesel genset with Jiehua engine. The model is YC6 and K420LD20. Rated power is 281 kilowatts. Standby power 309 kilowatts. Equipped with all copper brushless 250 kilowatts generator ball. This is the air filter assembly. Turbocharger. This is exhaust pipe. These two are the oil filter. Here is the electronic control fuel pump. Starter motor. This is the fuel pump. These two are diesel filters, and this one is a small alternator, cooling water tank, and generator air switch.